observe some problems from the so we have 21. It is a machine member that supports another part that rotates, slides, or oscillates in or on it. So we have A, pulley, B, key, C, bearing, and D, shaft. So the answer is C, bearing. A machine element that constrains relative motion to only the desired motion and reduces friction between moving parts. Think of it as a joint of a machine that allows a shaft to rotate or slide smoothly. We have 72. It is a bearing that permits constrained relative motion of rigid parts. Lubricant is generally inserted or supplied between the mating surfaces to reduce friction and wear, and to carry away the heat generated. So we have A, sliding contact bearing, B, rolling contact bearing, C, thrust bearing, and D, journal bearing. So the answer is A, sliding contact bearing. A bearing where the motion is transmitted via sliding rather than rolling, this rely on a thin film of lubricant, oil or grease, or a low friction material like bronze or Teflon to separate the surfaces. So we have 73. These are the surfaces that do not conform to each other very well, as in the rolling element of bearings. So we have A, conformal surfaces, B, non-conformal surfaces, C, sliding surfaces, and D, rolling surfaces. So the answer is B, conformal surfaces. Surfaces that do not fit into one another, resulting in very small contact areas or points or lines. So we have 74. The study of lubrication, friction, and wear of moving or stationary parts is known as A, lubrication, B, tribology, C, hydrodynamics, and D, hydrostatics. So the answer is B, tribology. The science and engineering of interacting surfaces in relative motion, it focuses on the study of friction, lubrication, and wear. Essentially, it's the study of how things rub together and how to keep them from breaking. So last, we have 75. A bearing or surfaces are not conform and motion is primarily rolling. It is composed of the rolling elements interposed between and offering an inner ring. So we have A, sliding element bearing, B, rolling element bearing, C, conformal surface bearing, and D, non-conformal surface bearing. So the answer is D, rolling element bearing. A bearing that carries a load by placing rolling balls or rollers between two races. So that is all.